Hi allesammans, hello everyone, welcome to Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Norway is world famous for its stunning natural landscapes, from towering mountains and serene fjords to vast forests and magical northern lights. For outdoor enthusiasts, exploring Norway's nature is more than just a visual delight. It's a rejuvenating experience for the soul. Learning Norwegian vocabulary related to and expressions related to nature and outdoor activities not only helps you better connect with the local culture but also enriches your outdoor experiences. Today we will introduce you to the key Norwegian words and phrases to help you describe the breathtaking natural beauty you encounter during your adventures in Norway. Whether you're a hiking enthusiast, skiing lover, or simply someone who enjoys immersing yourself in nature, these words and expressions will come as you explore the nature in Norway. Norwegian has a rich vocabulary described to describe its natural wonders. Each word and expression can vividly portray the awe-inspiring landscapes you'll encounter, whether you're standing atop a mountain or gazing at a calm lake. Knowing how to describe these scenes in Norwegian adds a new dimension to your experience. But in our discussion now, we will look at some of the most commonly used words related to nature. Fjell, 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 mountain. Mountains are a defining feature of Norway's landscape, and many outdoor adventures revolve around the fjell, fjell, fjell. Whether you're hiking in Jotunheimen, or admiring the snow-capped peaks of Rondane, mountains are at the heart of Norway's natural beauty. For example, fjellet er dekket av snø hele året. Fjellet er dekket av snø hele året. Fjellet er dekket av snø hele året. The mountain is covered in snow all year round. Fjord, 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 fjord. Norway's fjords are world renowned, and the word fjord is not only a staple in Norwegian but also widely recognized in many languages. Norway's fjords, particularly Sognefjord, and Geirangerfjord, 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 are celebrated for their breathtaking beauty, deep waters, and towering cliffs. Example sentence. Fjorden er så dyp at man ikke kan se bunnen. Fjorden er så dyp at man ikke kan se bunnen. Fjorden er så deep at man ikke kan se bunnen. The fjord is so deep that you can't see the bottom. Skog, 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 forest. Norway is home to vast forests, and skog refers to these quiet, mysterious woodlands. Forests are ideal for hiking and offer a serene escape into nature. Norwegians deeply value their connection to the outdoors, often referred to as friluftsliv, 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 outdoor life, and forests are a significant part of that lifestyle. Vi gikk gjennom skogen og hørte fuglene synge. Vi gikk gjennom skogen og hørte fuglene synge. Vi gikk gjennom skogen og hørte fuglene synge. We walked through the forest and heard the birds singing. Innsjø, 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 lake. With thousands of lakes scattered across the country, innsjø, innsjø, innsjø refers to these uh, freshwater bodies. Lakes in Norway are popular spots for fishing, boating, and swimming in summer, while in winter they transform into skating rinks. Example sentence. Innsjøen speiler fjellene rundt seg. Innsjøen speiler fjellene rundt seg. Innsjøen speiler fjellene rundt seg. The lake reflects the mountains around it. Isbre, isbre, isbre glacier. Norway's glaciers, especially Jostedalsbreen, 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 the largest glacier on mainland Europe, are natural wonders. The word isbre, isbre, isbre refers to glaciers, and glacier hiking is a popular adventure activity in Norway. Isbreen beveger seg sakte, men konstant. Isbreen beveger seg sakte, men konstant. Isbreen beveger seg sakte, men konstant. The glacier moves slowly but constantly. Nordlys, 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 northern lights. The northern lights, known as nordlys, nordlys, nordlys in Norwegian, are one of the nature's most mesmerizing phenomena. In northern Norway, especially around Tromsø, 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 the winter skis are often illuminated by these celestial lights, making it a bucket list experience for many visitors. Vi håper å se nordlys når vi reiser til Tromsø. Vi håper å se nordlys når vi reiser til Tromsø. Vi håper å se nordlys når vi reiser til Tromsø. We hope to see northern lights when we travel to Tromsø. Exploring Norway's nature goes beyond admiring the scenery. Many outdoor activities await, from hiking and skiing to fishing and kayaking. Here are some commonly used words related to these outdoor adventures, which will help you better understand and participate in the activities. To, to, hike trip. In Norway, the phrase gå på tur, gå på tur, gå på tur is very common, meaning to go on a walk or hike. Whether it's a simple forest stroll or more challenging mountain hike, Norwegians cherish their connection to nature through to, to. Example sentence. Vi skal gå en tur til Preikestolen i morgen. Vi skal gå en tur til Preikestolen i morgen. Vi skal gå en tur til Preikestolen i morgen. We're going for a hike to Preikestolen tomorrow. Sti, trail path. The word sti refers to a trail or path, often used for hiking. In Norway's mountains and forests, many trails are well marked, guiding adventurers through some of the country's most scenic landscapes. Følg stien for å komme til toppen. Følg stien for å komme til toppen. Følg stien for å komme til toppen. Follow the trail to reach the top. Ski, ski. Winter in Norway offers endless opportunities for skiing, and the words ski refers to all types of skiing, including downhill and cross-country. Popular ski resorts like Trysil, and Hemsedal attract skiers from around the world. Vi skal gå på ski i Hemsedal til helgen. Vi skal gå på ski i Hemsedal til helgen. Vi skal gå på ski i Hemsedal til helgen. We're going skiing in Hemsedal this weekend. Fiske, fishing. Fishing is one of the most beloved outdoor activities in Norway. And fiske refers to various forms of fishing, whether along the coast or in lakes and rivers. Fishing is a cherished pastime for Norwegians. Fisking i Norge er en populær aktivitet både om sommeren og vinteren. Fisking i Norge er en populær aktivitet både om sommeren og vinteren. Fisking i Norge er en populær aktivitet både om sommeren og vinteren. Fisking i Norge er en populær aktivitet både om sommeren og vinteren. Fishing in Norway is a popular activity both in summer and winter. Kayak, 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 kayak. Kayaking in Norway's fjords is a must-do for many visitors, and the word kayak, kayak, kayak refers to the small boats used for paddling through the water. It's an incredible way to experience the fjords and surrounding landscapes up close. Vi skal padle kajakk i Geirangerfjorden. Vi skal padle kajakk i Geirangerfjorden. Vi skal padle kajakk i Geirangerfjorden. We're going kayaking in Geirangerfjord. Norway's nature changes dramatically with seasons, and each brings its own unique beauty and activities. Understanding the Norwegian words for seasons and what each season offers can deepen your appreciation of the country's diverse landscapes. Sommer, 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 summer. Summer in Norway is short but spectacular. The word sommer, sommer, sommer refers to this highly anticipated season when daylight stretches long into the evening, making it the perfect time for hiking, camping and swimming. Om sommeren kan man gå turer i fjellet hele dagen. Om sommeren kan man gå turer i fjellet hele dagen. Om sommeren kan man gå turer i fjellet hele dagen. In the summer you can hike in the mountains all day. Vinter, 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 winter. Winter is Norway's most defining season, particularly in the northern regions. Winter, winter, winter means snow-covered landscapes, perfect for skiing, skating, and viewing the northern lights. Vinteren er perfekt for å stå på ski og nyte naturen. Vinteren er perfekt for å stå på ski og nyte naturen. Vinteren er perfekt for å stå på ski og nyte naturen. Winter is perfect for skiing and enjoying nature. Høst, 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 autumn. Autumn or høst, høst, høst brings vibrant colors to Norway's forests and mountains. It's the season when Norway's landscapes turn into a painter's palette, and many outdoor enthusiasts enjoy hunting and berry picking during this time. Høsten i Norge byr på vakre farger og frisk luft. Høsten i Norge byr på vakre farger og frisk luft. Høsten i Norge byr på vakre farger og frisk luft. Autumn in Norway offers beautiful colors and fresh air. Vår, 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 spring. Spring or vår, vår, vår is a season of renewal. As snow melts and flowers bloom, nature awakens. It's also an excellent time for hiking and admiring waterfalls fed by melting snow. Om våren smelter snøen, og naturen våkner til liv igjen. Om våren smelter snøen, og naturen våkner til liv igjen. Om våren smelter snøen, og naturen våkner til liv igjen. In spring the snow melts and nature comes back to life. Mastering Norwegian vocabulary related to nature and outdoor activities not only helps you communicate better, but also deepens your connection with the land and its people. If you're interested in learning these words systematically and improving your overall Norwegian skills, consider joining our Norwegian language courses in Oslo or online. Unlock a world of opportunity and connect with a rich cultural heritage by learning Norwegian from zero to hero with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Our immersive courses and expert instructors guide you every step of the way, ensuring you become fluent and confident in the language. Do you want to learn more Norwegian? We are now offering one free Norwegian trial class. Sign up for a one free trial class by going to our website nlsnorwegian.no, nlsnorwegian.no.